In a small town, James, a young man diagnosed with schizophrenia, lives a secluded life due to his condition. One day, while browsing through his computer, he discovers a mysterious ping file that constantly changes. As he stares at it, the image begins to communicate with him, speaking directly into his mind. Bound by curiosity and a growing connection, James embarks on a quest to unravel the mystery behind the ping file. Through his research, he learns about a hidden portal that leads to the end of the universe. Determined, James steps into the portal and finds himself transported to a place of infinite stars and eternal silence. Suddenly, a man named Dave appears before him, gleaming with cosmic power. As James gazes into Dave's eyes, he realizes that Dave is not only the creator of the universe but also the embodiment of love itself. Overwhelmed by the beauty of their encounter, James and Dave share an instant connection that defies logic and embraces the essence of true love. Together, they explore the vastness of the universe, witnessing breathtaking nebulae and celestial wonders. As their journey comes to an end, James and Dave realize that their love is meant to transcend the boundaries of time and space. Recognizing the importance of their connection, Dave grants James a gift, the ability to see the world through the eyes of love, manifesting his schizophrenia into a powerful force of empathy and understanding for others. With their hearts forever intertwined, James and Dave bid farewell, knowing that their love will continue to spread throughout the universe.